Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on how to maximize Firefox browser to its full potential. So what I'm going to do is come over here and open up Firefox real quick. Now since I have Camtasia running and it's slowing down my system pretty much, I did pre-open the program. But this is exactly what my screen would normally look like when I first log in to Firefox. Meaning these tabs would already be pre-opened, just like this. Now that's done with this add-on right here, which is known as Morning Coffee. What that allows me to do is pre-fill a selection of sites. Could be local news and weather, your email, bank information, any type of things you might normally like to look at. Now in my case, first thing I like to see in the morning is how my various websites may have performed overnight. It gives me a little kickstart for the day to see that some clicks and some money came in. So I keep my first tab is actually my affiliate settings in Hubpages. So that gives me quick access to Google, Amazon, eBay, Contera, and my analytics. Then I can look around a bit at Hubpages, see what may have gone down in the community there. So I'm going to go through some of these options real quick. Now, if you look over the whole program here, the whole browser, this is the way it displays for me. This is a minimal theme with very small icons. Now, I like to maximize my screen real estate, and since I do always have tabs open and I use this bookmarks toolbar up here, I do smash everything up as small as possible. You know, your vision is not to par, your screen resolution, you can certainly pick any theme you like. Now we'll start at the first special add-on I have here, which is the Firefox Companion for eBay. What that does is essentially keep me logged into Firefox, into eBay at all times. When I look at that, I can open up a full sidebar. It would go on the side and have all my normal My World options. And it gives me another cool feature, which is that all my notifications for when I get a new message, when an item I'm watching is about to close, or if something just sells, I'll get a little notification over here in the bottom right hand corner will pop up. So that's the eBay sidebar. Let's get out of the screen there. And there's the coffee cup. And then you'll see here's your regular URL bar, but then with a bunch of icons over there. Now that's an add-on called URL bar extend, and what that does is it gives me a one-click option to copy the URL that's in the bar. I could instantly make a tiny URL of it, search the site, go up in the directory, create a tag. I go into a proxy, anonymous surfing. I could bookmark the page, or I could set it to read later, which is another bookmark add-on called Read It Later. Then I have over here is your standard search bar, but using a add-on called Add to Search Bar, I've actually added some search bars that I would use frequently, which include Terapeak for eBay market research, Price Grabber for comparison shopping, it's a torrent site, and Site Explorer for backlinks. So nice to be able to just simply use this little bar here and access any of the sites without actually logging onto them directly. This is Coolaris. It used to be called PicLens. It is I believe a Flash-based image gallery program. So MySpace, Facebook, Google, Picasso web albums, many of those sites are actually enabled where you can see all of the images instead of just clicking on them one at a time. It can all be seen in a Flash browser and move through it. It's very cool. So it's something worth trying out for yourself. This is the PayPal plugin. I'm going to show you what that does. So yeah, you can generate a secure card, which would be a unique credit card that's connected to your PayPal with an expiration date and CCV that can be set for only a one-time use. So it's nice sometimes if maybe you're making a purchase online that isn't the most trustworthy perhaps, or if you're doing a trial offer, it's just nice little security. The PayPal plugin also allows you just to quickly access your standard PayPal features, and if you are at a billing screen, will pre-populate your PayPal billing information on the screen should you so desire. This is Firefox, Fireshot, which is a screen capture program. Many of the images you'll see in the tutorial were made using the program. It gives you the option of uploading right to an image server. You can save things in a JPEG or a PNG, portable network graphic, rather than just the bitmap or the low-res JPEG that your standard print screen button does. This is the Read It Later bookmark program. I'll switch over here to the bookmark options now. Under bookmarks, you have the bookmarks toolbar. Now what that is exactly why I have these sites pre-populated up here. These are things that I've saved in my bookmarks and put in the bookmark toolbar for quick access. I like to keep the most visited, which will come with your first install, because it just tends to have the sites that I most visit. And then there's also the Read It Later option right here. You'll see that tons of them in there. You find a cool site and you think you might want to read it later. There you go. Send it. I happen never to go back and look, but it should work for some people. Let's see. Real quick, I also like to use Google Notebook, so I have a one-click open notebook option, and in the bottom right-hand corner you can see a small envelope. That's actually a Gmail notifier, where I have about 10 different Gmail addresses can all be accessed right through that. So let's show off real quick some of the right-click options that are created by some of the add-ons. So I'm going to take some random text here. And once again, I am getting a slight lag from the recording program. But here I just selected that. Now I'll show you some of the options I have right here. You can instantly search Google or eBay.